I will always cherish.
The diamond ring is the coolest part.
And I was locked in, like I even stood up to watch it.
I've seen a lot of cool things in my life, but personally, this was our favorite. This was my favorite. My favorite part was when it was going away, and I could see the diamond ring effect.
I thought it was really cool to see how much it changed, like our surroundings. Like it went from being bright, sunny day to like dusk time. It was really cool to see how that happens.
The sun is coming fast.
It was like a horizon in every direction. That was like my favorite part.
I thought the eclipse was super cool and it was life changing because like it got dark outside, but it wasn't like normal, and like I will remember this moment forever.
Comparing to the experience I had from 2017, I'd say this one was a lot better and it was more engaging. People were more excited, including me, and yeah, it was just a great experience overall.
Just thought it was very pretty and it was just a once in a lifetime experience, and I thought it was a great bonding experience for the whole middle school.
That was probably the coolest thing I will ever see in my whole life.
That was amazing. I loved it. It was so cool.
That was totality cool.